Hey friends, we are back with Skills for Lesson 6, and we're going to start with our oral blending like we always do, our 2 sound words, me first, then us together, okay? The first one, if, if. Now with me. If. Next one, in. Now together, in. Next one, on. On. Now together, on. On. Last one, at. Now together, at. And we are going to move on to our 3 sound words. Oops, I skipped past it. Sorry, let me go back to it. Me first, then us together. Mad. Mad. Now together. Mad. Mad. Next word. Vet. Vet. Now together. Vet. Vet. Next one. Cake. Cake. Now together. Cake. Cake. Last one for this. Type. Type. Now together. Type. Type. Very good. We are going to move on to the review of our letter sounds. Parents, I would like to pause here, and I will have you review these sounds with your child and resume when you're ready. Let's review these sounds. Pause here and resume when you're ready. Next sounds. Pause here and resume when you're ready. Here's our next set of sounds. Pause here and resume when you're ready. Okay, and here is a new sound. You put your top teeth on your bottom lip and make the sound like vet. Say vet. Say van. Say vine. Say voice. All of those words begin with the sound. Now all of our next words are going to end with the sound. Have. Say have. Say give. Say love. And move. All of those words end with the sound. Okay, let's look at how we make the picture of our sound. You start at the dotted line and you make a slant line down to the bottom line and then you do not pick up your pencil or your crayon or whatever you're writing with, and then you slant back up to the dotted line. We will move on to our workbook page. Here is where you're going to practice writing the V sound. At the bottom, you're going to sound out this word, V, A, N, van. On the back of that page, we have the pictures that are going to match the words. Sound those words out, and you're going to write the word underneath. This is a picture of sad. This is a hog, hat, van, fan, and can. Okay, next we are going to try to differentiate between the V and the F sound. I want you to put your hand just on your throat and just to feel and say F. Okay, and you don't feel anything in your throat, but say V. You will feel it vibrate because it's the voiced sound. Okay, so I would like for you to pause here. What you're going to do is say the word very and say the word fairy, and you're going to decide which one has the V sound. Okay, pause here and resume when you're ready. And here is our chaining. I think this one's really funny because it says adios, which means goodbye in Spanish. I do not know why it's there, but I think it's funny. Here is the list of words that you're going to use to chain. Remember, you're going to sound out each sound and then blend them together. When you change the sound, make sure that you are asking your child to tell you which sound changes, the beginning, middle, or end. And then also, since you are adding the V sound, you need to make those cards. Okay, so pause here and resume when you're ready. That might be the last part of our lesson. Let me check. And it is. Okay, so we will see you again tomorrow for lesson 7. Y'all are doing a great job. Keep up the good work.